How to summarize key points. Are you struggling to remember what you studied? Summarizing key points can be a game changer for your focus and concentration. Let's break down how to do this effectively. First, start by identifying the main ideas in your material. As you read, pay attention to headings, topic sentences, and any themes that repeat. These elements usually highlight the most important points you need to grasp. Next, it is essential to exclude minor details. Focus on the core message and avoid examples or extra explanations that do not directly contribute to your understanding. A summary should be brief and to the point. Now, use your own words. Paraphrasing helps deepen your understanding and improves memory retention. When you rewrite information in your own language, you engage in active recall, which is a powerful technique for concentration. Organizing the information clearly is also vital. Group related ideas together in a logical manner. Creating an outline or using bullet points can help structure your summary, making it easier to review later. When it comes to summarization methods, you have two main approaches. The first is extractive summarization, where you select key sentences or phrases directly from the text. The second is abstractive summarization, where you rewrite the ideas in your own words to create a concise version. Keep your summary concise and clear. Aim for clarity and brevity. A good summary conveys essential information without unnecessary complexity, making it easier for you to study and recall later. After drafting your summary, take a moment to review and refine it. Ensure that it is accurate and complete. Remove any redundant points and clarify any ambiguous language that might confuse you later. Summarization is not just about condensing information. It also supports active recall. This technique involves retrieving information from memory, which strengthens your learning and concentration. Creating summaries after reading helps maintain focus by breaking down large texts into manageable parts. Summaries can serve as quick reference guides when preparing for exams. They reduce study time and improve efficiency, allowing you to focus on what matters most. By mastering these steps, you can improve your study sessions, retain important information more effectively, and maintain better concentration throughout your learning process.